I promised that I was going to show you how we had secured a 0% interest loan for our repairs on our home. Hey everyone, this is Tammy from City Homestead Living, and thank you so much for coming along on our journey. Alright guys, I'm going to take you with me today as I go feed the animals, and then I want to talk to you about a subject that I brought up on the previous video, and that is how we ended up with a no interest loan that is not payable until we sell the house. So come along with me for that ride. See how much different the duck area looks when it's not muddy out here? It says the girls on there. I want to tell you there are 2 boys in our latest batch, and one of them is so aggressive, I guess you would say, to the chicken girls that we literally had to evict him from the hen house, and he is always wanting back in, but he's either going to get rehomed or he's going to go to freezer camp, because we can't have a brutal animal on the farm. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here is your treats. And there's Runner trying to get out again. Okay, you too. Here we go. You see that other rooster out there, the craziest hair, and our daughter calls him Bowie for David Bowie, because he has the craziest hair. I gotta go check the turkeys out and see if they need water. Good morning, guys. Yeah. Got all nice straw in there. Looking good. Food pig container's good too. Awesome, guys. Oh, you're so much happier in here. We got him out of the brooder before yesterday. There's Dinner wanting in on the other side. He's like, why can't I go in there? See, he was tearing up all their backs just terribly. I mean, I guess it's one thing just to pick feathers out of them, but he wounded that one bird, and that was the last straw for him. He got evicted. Okay, everybody's got food, everybody's got water. We put these on there to protect them from predators at night, because these are easy to open cages. Look at these little guys. Aren't they absolutely adorable? My grandson has claimed the little black one in the back. In fact, he has been working on the farm to earn him and a cage and all of the accoutrements that go with him. And his dad has said he can have one in the house. So that's exciting for him. Look at these faces. They're so sweet. Look at you. You're adorable. I love babies on the farm. It makes my heart sing. They're so adorable. Mama is such a good mama there. Hey guys, I am so excited to bring you along on this journey with me to tell you exactly how we got a no interest loan for our homestead. And I'm going to show you ways that you can do this too. Alright guys, this is pretty exciting, and I love finding ways that we can save money. Our homestead is all about reusing, redoing, repurposing. However, there are times when things have to be bought new. And that's what happened with our sewer line and a roof. So this is how we did it. I did some research, and I love research. What I did was I went online and I typed in what I was looking for. Ways to get new roofs on the house. Came up with some government agencies that had programs which you could get, low cost roofing for your house. They had other repairs as well. We had helped my mother-in-law some years back, and she got an upgrade to her heating and air conditioning, and also new windows throughout the house to help with energy efficiency. She got a grant, and she did not have to pay this back. This was run by a nonprofit organization, but the money that they received for this program was government funding. That's how one way that you can get repairs done to your house. They're going to be, you got to check with your county, your state, your city, contact agencies in your local area. I can't do the research for you, but I can share with you ways to do it. If you have a computer, or you can borrow a computer, or from a friend or family member, or you can use your local library. You might have to make an appointment in this day and age with the virus thing going on. However, there are places that you can get free computer access if you don't have one. If you have a phone, you can borrow a phone. You can make phone calls to the different government agencies and just ask questions. Ask them, do you have any or know of any programs that would allow you to get low cost repairs done to your home? This is something that you can do. And like I said, just ask questions. Call your county, call your city government, look online, and there are places that you can find things like this. We were able to get a no interest loan. It's not free for us, but there's no interest, so we will pay the principal back when we sell our house. So we hope that that won't be for a number of years, but one never knows what goes on in your life, and things change and happen all the time. We were able to get our sewer line replaced, and we were able to get a new roof on our house, and those were two of the things. We did install a wood stove, and we did not finance that. We paid cash for that. If you have any questions that I can give you some answers to, or give you some tips and ideas that this video may not have been enough to answer for you, please feel free to leave them down below, and I will be happy to answer as best I can. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell down below, because you never know when we'll upload something that will impact your life. Thank you so much for stopping by our homestead. As always, blessings and happy homestead adventures.